Hi students, I am Dr. Adik Sharda, Assistant Professor in Sri Dnyaneshwar Mahavidyalaya Nevasa. I will be teaching you physics in the upcoming lectures. Today we will start from the FYBSc portion, physics, that is mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics where we discuss the study of motion. So, let's start by studying about motion. What exactly is motion and types of motion? Chapter 1st, Motion. Introduction. We see many objects around us, for example cars, buses, bicycle moving on a road, trains moving on the tracks, and aeroplane flying in the air, water flowing in the river. All these objects are changing position with time. When object changes its position with time, it is said that object is in motion. Now see the example of motion. Motion means गती. ही कार मोशनमध्ये आहे म्हणजेच गतीमध्ये आहे आणि ती मुलगी कारची मोशन एन्जॉय करीत आहे. टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन: रैंडम मोशन, ट्रांसलेशनल मोशन, रोटेशनल मोशन and oscillatory motion. Translational motion divided into rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion and circular motion. First we see translational motion. It is type of motion in which a body shifts from one point in space to another point. It means body move from one position or one point in space to the another point. For example, vehicle moving on a road, a bird flying in the sky. These are the example of translational motion. Different types of translational motion: rectilinear motion, circular motion and curvilinear motion. Rectilinear motion or linear motion. Objects change their position with time along straight line. This type of motion is called rectilinear motion or linear motion. For example, a ball rolling on a horizontal surface. See in this example, a ball rolling. It means चेंडू जर ढकलला तो सरळ रेषेत रोल होत होत पुढे जातो. त्याची जी मोशन असती त्याला आपण लिनियर मोशन असे म्हणतो. सर्क्युलर मोशन. मूवमेंट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट अराउंड द सर्क्युलर पाथ फ्रॉम अ फिक्स्ड डिस्टन्स कॉल्ड सर्क्युलर मोशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, मोशन ऑफ हँड्स ऑफ क्लॉक. घड्याळाचे मिनिट काटा, सेकंद काटा आणि तास काटा ह्याची जी मोशन असती ही सर्क्युलर असती, त्याला म्हटलं जातं सर्क्युलर मोशन. ही स्लाइड सर्क्युलर मोशनचे एक्झाम्पल घड्याळ हे दाखवतं आणि रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन ह्याचं एक्झाम्पल हा माणूस पळतोय आणि सरळ रेषेत पळतोय, त्याची जी मोशन आहे त्याला म्हटलं जातं रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन. Curvilinear motion. Movement of an object along a curved path. For example, a ball thrown by boy. Oscillatory motion. Some objects move to and fro, such as pendulum, swing, needle of the sewing machine. Such a type of motion is called oscillatory motion. For example, pendulum. Now see This is the example of pendulum. This pendulum move back and forth about its mean position, that is to and fro about its mean position. हा पेंडुलम त्याच्या मीन पोझिशनच्या पुढे आणि मागे ऑसिलेट होतो. Next, rotational motion. This is the type of motion. When an object moves about an axis and different parts of it move by different distances in a given interval of time, then it is said to be in rotational motion. For example, blades of rotating fan, blades of rotating merry-go-round. आपल्या घरामध्ये जो फॅन असतो त्याचे जे ब्लेड्स असतात म्हणजेच पाते हे त्याच्या ॲक्सिस भोवती रोटेशनल मोशनमध्ये फिरत असतात. हे झालं त्याचं उदाहरण. पिरियॉडिक मोशन, ए टाइप ऑफ मोशन that repeats itself after equal interval of time is called periodic motion. For example, motion of pendulum. We see this example also in oscillatory motion. Another example, the hands of a clock, earth rotating about its axis. ही स्लाइड रोटेशनल मोशन आणि पिरियॉडिक मोशनचे एक्झाम्पल दाखवते. रोटेशनल मोशनचे एक्झाम्पलमध्ये द बॉल मूव्हिंग or a ball moving about its axis, that is spinning of ball. Second, periodic motion of clock. Non-periodic motion, a motion that doesn't repeat itself at a regular interval, or a motion that doesn't repeat itself at all is called non-periodic motion. For example, a bird gliding across the sky, children playing in the park. Lastly, classification of motion based upon dimension: one-dimensional motion, two-dimensional motion, and three-dimensional motion. Now this is about different types of motion. In next lecture we see displacement, velocity, acceleration. Thank you.